I'm so happy to see my wind turbine turning in a gentle breeze at night. Wow, that's beautiful. Look at that. It's making electricity. Oh my God, I'm so happy to see it. Lovely. Oh wow, look at that wind. Oh my God, it's paid its price itself on the first day. Beautiful. Thank you, God. Very nice. Very nice. Beautiful. 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 Look at that. Rutland. Charge controller. Charging the electricity. That's called the natural resources. MPPT charge controller. My battery is charging. And the wind generator is showing green. Excellent, well done. Of course, solars are gone to sleep now. As planned. Beautiful, I'm so happy. Thanks God. Excellent. This is my electrical project. Free energy, free water. Well, water from the energy, from Rain Man. Very good. This is what is showing me right now. At night and day, all during the day, when I'm moving, my hydro turbine, my wind generator, my solar panels, DC to DC when I'm running my engine from alternator, and if I'm alongside somewhere at shore, this is my electrical charger. All going through the distributor, links distributor, which is a bus bar to my main battery system.